of the government to address the issue of private armies in the region?
No, not really. As I said, it's an initial reversal in one of several cases involving one of possibly more than one family who had private armies. The families in private armies, sila po naman ang sakop ng ating commission against private armies. Patuloy po ang kanilang trabaho. I think they were supposed to give an update, no? Baka after Holy Week, no? I know we've been reminding them to give us an update. I think they've already passing it out two provinces, no? Kaya pagtuunan ng pansin. One is Masbate yata, no? The other one is Maguindanao din. May mga private armies na kailangan. So they're continuing with their work.
There is this observation na somehow yung dismissal ng case against the Mayor Ampatuan and somehow galvanized, reinstated the power of the Ampatuan in Maguindanao. Would that be a credible observation as far as the power of the family in the province is concerned?
I don't think so. As I said, it is specifically on charge. They still face multiple murder charges. Those are still being adjudicated. It's a different set of charges, and we will see what happens at the court proceedings continue. Pati po sa rebellion case, as I said, kung mag-file po tayo ng motion for reconsideration, patuloy pa po yun, pati sa kaso ng rebellion. At hintayin po natin na gumawa ng decision ng ating charges.
Sa this point, wala pang dapat. Hindi pa ba dapat matakot o magpanik yung relatives of the victims, yung mga witnesses, because somehow nagkaroon ng konting clarification and there is this possibility, although under appeal pa rin, ang possible appeal, na eventually makalaya yung senior Ampatuan and the rest, and the other who are being accused.
Well, hindi naman sila makakalaya dahil meron pa sila mga multiple murder na charges na hinaharap. Like, hypothetically, if at the end of everything, well, hypothetically, leaving aside the status of the case, even if they were out there already as free men, okay, I do not believe it is possible anymore for them to enjoy the kind of latitude that they were able to enjoy before, that allowed them to build up to this kind of, to their alleged involvement in this, on this scale of a crime. That's difficult for me to imagine. Pero there are things that we also need to do para po hindi na maulit, no? Yung possibility nito. For example, bringing a permanent peace in Maguindanao, para hindi na po kailangan the possible need for force extenders, which is I think how the Ampatuan family were used before, goes away. And as we have said from the start, bringing a permanent peace in Mindanao is really one of the, if not the only long-term solution to this. Tapos yung continuing work ng Commission of Private Armies, madadamay din sila niyan. Kung nakompiskan sila ng mga armas, bawasan na sila ng mga tao, I don't think na papayagan sila ulit na magkakaroon ng pagkakaroon na buhay ulit, even what has happened. No matter what the minor outcome of the justice system might be. Kasi alam po niya, meron nila, may bahay sila. So, and this will take a long time. It will take a while. I mean, in terms of, we were hoping to get to the murder cases by the time the president steps down, no? Pero sa dami pala ng involved, sa dami ng mga charges na dapat hindi difficult to achieve. Importante na lang siguro is no matter how long it takes to make sure that justice is